If you are planning to travel with IndiGo Airlines and thinking that what is actually a personal item, what are the things that qualify as personal item, then you are at the right place. Here I'll explain everything like the kind of bags that qualify as personal item, their weight, their size limit, as well as what are the items you can pack and how can you pack smarter so that you can make the most out of it. So let's quickly get started, but before that, welcome back to Peppy Sage. If you are new here, please feel free to subscribe to my channel because here we make travel simple and stress-free. So the first question that comes into our mind is what is actually a personal item? So a personal item could be something which is small and compact and that could easily fit under the seat in front of you inside an aircraft. While it does not have to be a specific kind of bag, but the only key thing is that it should neatly fit under the seat in front of you inside an aircraft. For example, a personal item could be a laptop bag, a garment bag, a small briefcase, or your handbag. However, there is a long list of items that could be considered as personal items. These are just to name a few. But remember the key point, it should fit under the seat in front of you. When it comes to the dimension of your personal item, luckily, I must say that IndiGo does not have a specific dimension when it comes to your personal item, but they generally recommend of keeping it under 45 into 35 into 20 centimeters. This guideline to help you stay under the limit so that there is no last minute hassle at the airport. But that's not all. According to IndiGo's latest information at their website, your personal item could not exceed 3 kgs of weight. So now that you know what could be considered as your personal item, you can pack them efficiently to make more space. You know, sometimes when we are carrying a laptop bag as our personal item, if you pack it efficiently, there could be many more things that could fit into your laptop bag. But make sure the weight limit does not exceed 3 kgs. So these are the things that are considered as personal items. But in case if it exceeds the size or the weight limit, you might have to check it in. And that will require you to pay at the airport for an extra piece of check-in luggage. And it can also cause a delay in boarding your flight. So make sure you go through all the rules and regulations while packing your personal item. So that was all. If you have any other question related to this video, let me know in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, give me a like. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.